Aloha everybody, thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to Giglife. My name is Steven Espaniola. This is the first video of 2019. Actually, this is the first video in a very long time. I apologize for that. Got a little hectic at the end of 2018. One of the things that I promised myself for this year is that I would get more content out. We're so excited for this one. I could hardly contain myself. I almost didn't do this unboxing, but as you can tell, I have this very special box from KanileʻA ʻUkulele, and I couldn't keep it together to put this video together. But I'm glad you're able to share with me and this unboxing and this reveal for this ukulele. Something that's been in the works for a little while, so I'm so happy I'm able to document that with you. A little backstory is that I've been a part of the KanileʻA family for, I want to say, let's see, for about
a few moments later.
About 14 years. This is the 14th year. And so about a year before my first album came out in 2006, stumbled upon KanileʻA ʻUkulele and Joe and Kristen. And I just, I quickly sent them an email and told them what I was all about. I'm about to come out with my debut album, and I would love to align myself with a company that kind of shared my beliefs and values. We exchanged emails back and forth, and we just sort of clicked right off the bat. We actually were kind of at the same phase in our growth, and so they told me to kind of make my wish list of ukuleles that I would love, and I really didn't expect to have the beautiful instrument that I did get back then in 2006. It took about a year to make, but I told them exactly what I was looking for in an ukulele, and they made me this beautiful custom ukulele, and you'll see when I open the new one kind of the differences in how they progressed in their build quality and just their overall aesthetic. But this was the ukulele that they gave me back in 2006 during I was doing kind of like a media blitz throughout Oahu, and they met me at a Borders in Pearl Ridge. No longer there, sadly, but they presented me with this beautiful ukulele, blonde curly koa from Oahu, and kolohala wood around this outside binding. And you can see on these earlier KanileʻAs, they have this logo here is a lot different than the newer KanileʻA logo. It's that old English style, and it has the slotted headstock and kind of a different accent going on over here. This one also had the LR bags. This was kind of like a new thing for them also. They were experimenting with this new LR bag system. And so they put in this prototype LR bag system for me. Element, I think it was. It was actually a guitar pickup that they modified for ukulele. And this has just served me so beautifully. I love this ukulele. It's been my main ukulele at gigs and when I travel. And so they kind of approached me with doing an updated ukulele. And the other thing about KanileʻA is they've actually grown so much as a company, from that small mom and pop venture when I first met them into now they're probably one of the biggest ukulele companies in the entire world. It's very fortunate that I've been able to sustain this beautiful relationship with them. So when they approached me about building a brand new ukulele, I gave them my updated wish list of what I'd like to see in an ukulele, and that included things like a smaller body than this super tenor size. This is a super tenor, which is a little bit bigger of a lower bout section here. So I wanted to have a little bit more compact ukulele. You know what? I'm just gonna show you the ukulele as I unbox it, because I'm like so excited to get into this thing. So let me get my special knife for the unboxing. My very first unboxing video ever, so this is kind of a doubly exciting thing for me. And let's just go along and get into it. All right, here you can see the fragile. Don't drop it. Fragile, okay? So let's go ahead and open very carefully. And love these unboxing videos. All right, you guys ready? Very cool, nicely packaged. I may have to put this on the ground because I don't know if I can balance this guy. I'll be sure to, whoop. So cool, you guys. There's a little paper on the very top. And they actually sent me, looks like, some other cool goodies here. Got the KanileʻA bag, goodie bag. Very cool. Got another KanileʻA cap here. Some KanileʻA ʻUkulele pens. Let's see. Some polishing cloths. KanileʻA ʻUkulele polishing cloths. I don't have those. Oh, this is awesome too. Very cool. KanileʻA ʻUkulele play better. So this is very cool. Thank you so much, KanileʻA. I'd like to also give a shout out to, in addition to Joe and Kristen, Lena Girl has been instrumental in, she's the artist relations person over at KanileʻA, and she's been so instrumental in throughout this whole process of building this ukulele for me, and getting all the details, the specs, back and forth texts with pictures. She helped me pick the process for picking the woods. She made it seamless, so thank you so much for your help, Lena. Really appreciate it. There's actually a few more things in here. A super cool KanileʻA tumbler. Very cool. All right, guys, so this is the main event right here. The thing that we've all been waiting for, me especially. And let's go ahead and open her up. A lot of bubble wrapping. Instead of boring you with the, oh, actually it opens pretty easily. It's not. Beautiful case that it comes in. All right, guys, we are going to open this guy up. So beautiful. Okay, maybe give you guys a look here. It's strapped in, so it's not gonna fall out, but you can get a good shot there. So I'll take her out. As I mentioned before, this is a little bit smaller than my, oh wow, so beautiful. So like I mentioned before, I can't even stop taking my eyes off of this. So this is a little bit, I don't know if you can see right there. Also premium coil, but it's a little different than my previous ukulele. I don't know if you can see here. So it's a little smaller around here, right? This lower bout section. And if you notice, the finish is actually a matte finish. It's called e-silk finish that they specialize in. And so this ukulele is sort of a high gloss right here, which they're also known for. This one, I wanted it to have a more of a matte finish. So let me tell you a little bit about her. This is all premium curly koa here. This is actually also, if you can see around the sound hole here, this is actually also koa, a lighter shade of koa here, right there. And I wanted to keep very simple, you know. I wanted it to have a very classic appeal, a very classic aesthetic. The matte finish, I don't know if you know, like the vintage Martin ukuleles had this really nice, very matte, classic kind of a look finish to it. So I kind of wanted to emulate that on this ukulele. And I wanted to keep the headstock very classic as well, with the flat top over here. Also with the slotted headstock. And then I don't know if you can see, there's the mini tuners here. I think they're Goto tuners. The KanileʻA logo right here. This is the updated logo. Remember on my original one there was the original logo here with the old English writing, and this one has the updated KanileʻA logo. And I also wanted to do a if you notice, there are no fret markers on the front here. I wanted to keep it really clean looking, really classic. I do have fret markers on the side though. You can see right here. Binding all around the edge. This is ebony. Ebony is as well as the fretboard is ebony, as well as this binding along the edge too. And there's also this beveled edge here, so that when you're playing, it doesn't dig into your forearm when you're playing. So there's nice, comfortable beveled edge here. And there's also this is kind of like a signature for them as well. For KanileʻA ʻUkulele is their scoop here, cutaway, so that you can reach the upper frets here. Let me see if it's in tune. Not in tune yet, but. Scratch it. Let's see. I should probably tune her properly, but I'm just so excited to just start. Let me take this off. Let me check. This case, but oh my goodness, it's just more than I could have hoped for. Oh, this is really cool too. They installed the new double pickup in this ukulele too. They actually sent me one for my Islander ukulele. It is a subsidiary of KanileʻA. Islander is their other brand that makes more affordable ukuleles. And they also make guitars as well. So I play an Islander guitar, and they sent me this pickup here to install in my guitar. So I have that installed. It's a great sounding system. Also has that new bracing system there. Very cool. Just so beautiful. Sounds incredible. I wish you could hear. Oh, you can hear it. But I'll probably stare at her for a little while, and I'll do a follow-up video with some songs, or at least some sound samples from this ukulele. And I just wanted you to be a part of the moment when I got to see her for the first time. It's been a long process. I'd say about maybe over the last year, really. Yeah, it was actually the last NAMM festival, the last winter NAMM. So last January, I started talking to Joe and Kristen about possibly doing an updated ukulele. And throughout the last year, we've just been in contact. And it's about time for the next NAMM festival in a couple weeks, or next week actually. And so it took about one year exactly to get this from concept to in my hands, and I can't wait to make beautiful music with her. Notice I've been calling it this ukulele her, and typically we musicians like to name our instruments, and they're usually a she. So I'll let you know what I end up naming her when the inspiration hits me. But thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing reveal for my brand new KanileʻA ʻUkulele. Thank you so much to KanileʻA, Joel, Kristen, everybody there, Lena. Thank you so much for being a part of my life as a musician, as an artist, and I can't wait to spend the next 14 years and beyond with you. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe. Click a like if you liked it. If you subscribe, be sure to click the notifications as well, so you can know when I upload more videos. I do plan to upload a little bit more regularly in 2019, but thank you so much again for being a part of this unboxing. I'll try to get some nice close-up shots for you, so you can see what this beautiful ukulele looks like. All right, aloha folks, and I'll see you in the next one. Mahalo. I've even strung it low G, which is my preference, or right G as I like to call it.